Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to delete a folder in the Windows 11. So guys, if you are using Windows 10 or 11 and you want to delete any folder, so just select it and press delete key on keyboard. It will ask permission, so click on yes. If you want to delete permanently any folder, so press and hold shift key and right click on that folder. Now click on delete. So it will ask, are you sure want to permanently delete this folder? So click on yes. And that's it. So this is the way you can delete a folder permanently. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.